I did it as a live stream. You might want to check it out if you want to. Oh shit! Damn it! Now I gotta try to track down all these silly missiles. Man, went everywhere. Thank you for watching the episode of Stoner's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. This is it's called Future Battleship, and this is a line of little Lego style builds. They're not made of Lego bricks, but they're Lego style bricks. I'm going to put this one together tonight, and we'll put it together on camera, of course, for you. And then give you a quick review. I actually might build this live just for fun, and then but I'll do a full review video as well. Okay, let's get a look inside here real quick. Interesting. Box in a box. By number 1-2. Here's our book. It says 451 pieces. We got some decals. I'm not sure if they're the rub-on style or regular. We'll have to see. Yeah. Well, bag one builds the body and a foot. This looks like almost a little mini Mechwarrior kind of deal. Looks like the directions are easy enough to follow there, I believe. And it looks like there are 25 pages and 115 directions. Alright, let's get building. Okay, so we're already done with the first one. Came up. Oops. Those little... That's got fire and rocket pods, as you might have just noticed. Pretty cool. It was a fairly quick build. Maybe a couple hours altogether. I did it as a live stream. You might want to check it out if you want to... Oh, shit! If you want to see it built piece by piece. Sorry about that. It went together amazing. The bricks feel great. They went together great. Nothing required glue. I mean, these guys might have actually figured out Lego's secret. I'll be really interested to see as I build the other kits. There's 4 more to build. Yeah, so we'll get them all built too and give those full reviews. But this was a freaking great experience. I hope I can find these where are on Temu for you, so you can have the opportunity to purchase them yourself if you're like. These were great. Freaking awesome. There were no missing pieces. They did have some stickers that went on there. The stickers went on fine. Some of the stickers did cover up a couple bricks at a time, which I generally don't like just because they, if you got to take it apart, you can't take it apart without messing up the stickers. Check out his feet, though. How they did his feet. This actually makes it give it that little toe out look to it. I think that's freaking awesome. It was a great design. Alright, well, thanks again for watching Stoner's Reviews. Please do subscribe. We need you desperately. Please consider giving us a good like there for this video if you enjoyed its content. And please consider supporting us on Patreon for $3 a month to get ad-free access to our videos. The $3 help you decide what to love making next. Thanks for watching.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed. And one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.